In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use comments in Notion. We'll walk through where to add them, the different types you can use, and how to remove them when you're done. By the end, you'll know exactly when to use a page comment, an inline comment, or a database comment so your feedback is clear and easy to find. First, head over to notion.com. From there, click Login if you already have an account, or Launch Notion if you're opening the app. Once you're in, navigate to your workspace, then open the page where you want to add comments. Make sure you're on the page you actually want to discuss, since the type of comment you choose will determine where your note shows up. Notion supports a few types of comments, each suited to a different situation. If you want to leave a general note that applies to the entire page, use a page comment. On the page, click Add Comment. Type your comment in the box, then press Enter on your keyboard. This comment attaches to the whole page, making it perfect for broad feedback, questions about the overall content, or context that doesn't belong in a specific paragraph. If you want to point to a specific sentence or block, use an inline comment. Highlight the exact text you're referring to, or hover over the block you want to discuss. A small menu will appear. Click Comment. Type your message, then press Enter. Inline comments are great for pinpointing issues, suggesting edits, or clarifying a particular line without changing the content itself. Next, let's look at commenting inside databases, which is especially useful for tasks, notes, or project trackers. Open your database and find the item you want to discuss. Click the 6-dot icon next to that item, then click Comment. Type your comment and press Enter. This keeps discussion tied to that specific record, so conversations stay organized alongside the item they're about. If you ever need to remove a comment, whether it's a page comment, an inline comment, or one on a database item, you can delete it quickly. Open the comment, click the 3-dot icon, and select Delete. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Delete to finish. This ensures old or resolved notes don't clutter your workspace. That's it. Simple, focused, and effective commenting in Notion. Use page comments for big picture notes, inline comments for precise feedback, and database comments for item-specific conversations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.